How to recover your Ubisoft account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can recover your Ubisoft account. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your web browser. Any web browser is fine. I will be using Google Chrome. Then simply search for Ubisoft. After you search for Ubisoft, simply head over to Ubisoft login. You can go to their official website first as well, but let's just click on this login option that is available. After you click on it, it should take you to the login page of Ubisoft. What you'll then need to do is simply type in your email address. Then if you've forgotten your password, so let's say that I try to log in with a forgotten password or a wrong password, I'll just tap on login. It'll give me an error like this. So what we'll do here is tap on this can't login option right below the login section. And after you press on it, it should take you to another page where the recovery should begin. So tap on I forgot my password right here, or if you have any other issues, you can select that as well. I'll just click on I forgot my password. Then it should take me to another page where I'll need to enter my email address again, go through the CAPTCHA, then tap on continue. After tapping on continue, it should take me to this section where they will send me a mail to access the reset password link. So open up your mail. Your mail needs to be the same one that you use on your Ubisoft. There you can see. Now right here you will see this please click here option. So you need to press on this here. After you press on it, it should take you to another web page again where you can change your password. So let it load. Now you can do whatever you want. I'll just refuse that. And now enter out your password. Enter your new password, which you will remember. You can also note it down in a copy or wherever you want. Here you can see the requirements for the password. Then after you've done that, you'll then need to tap on change. And let me just type this. Then tap on this change option. After you tap on change, your password will be updated. There you can see tap on got it. Then log in into your account again. After you do that, you are now logged in into your account and you've just recovered your account as well. And that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.